Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to add shortcuts on iPhone. So let's start by clicking the shortcuts app appearing right here on our screen, and we're gonna click the plus button at the top right. Alright, and here you will see the suggestions for next action. I'm gonna just name the shortcut, let's say for example Apple Music. Okay, and here it says create a shortcut actions you do in your apps every day. So we're gonna just click right here and you will see multiple options from your app to select from. Okay, in our case I'm gonna just simply just click play music. Okay, and here it says add the music that you want to choose. So as you can see right here, I only have one music that I bought, or one sound, so I'm gonna just choose this one. All right, whenever I just open the shortcut, it will direct me to that same song. Okay, as you can see right here, it's appearing on our screen. All right, so I'm gonna just hit done. All right, and I'm gonna go back to my screen, or I'm gonna just save it or make it appearing in my home screen by just clicking the upload kind of thing icon, and I'm gonna just add to home screen with the name Apple Music. All right, you will see it appearing on the screen. So whenever you click on it, you will hear the soundtrack that appearing at the top right here. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.